Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we shall learn question number 2, exercise 11.2, standard 9th, chapter number 11, construction, subject mathematics. So question number 2 is, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 cm, angle B is equal to 45 degree and AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 cm. For this question let us draw one rough sketch like this. So this is a triangle. So here base is BC is equal to 8 cm. So this is base and our distance is 8 cm given. And angle B is, this is a base angle 45 degree. Let us mark this B 45 degree. And here AB is greater than AC. Means this is A. Now this AB is greater here. And this is small. First step for this construction is you have to draw the base BC is equal to 8 cm. So this is 0 and this is 8. Now you have to join these 2 points and this is B and this is C and distance is 8 cm. So base we have drawn here. Now next angle B you have to draw here. So you can use protractor or compass. Let me use protractor here. So you have to keep like this protractor. B point. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. Next you have to join this point extend this ray like this. So this is Y and ray is YB and this angle is angle YBC and degree is 45 degree. Next step is AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 cm. This distance you have to show above the base BC. Means here you have to show. Why? Here AB is greater than AC. See, AB is greater than AC. If this AB side is greater now, then you have to show this 3.5 cm above the base. In my last video I have solved question number 3 of exercise 11.2. And this distance PR minus PQ is equal to 2 cm. I have shown below the base QR. So this distance was 2 cm distance QS. Why have I shown this? Because PR was greater than PQ. So this side was greater. That's why I have shown this 2 cm below the base QR. But in this question, to AB is greater than AC. So this side is greater now. So that's why you have to show this 3.5 cm above the base BC. So this point all you have to remember. If the difference AC minus AB is equal to 3.5 cm was given. Now in this difference AC is greater than AB. Means this side AC is greater. Then this distance 3.5 cm you have to show below the base BC. Here you have to show by extending this ray YB here. But in this question AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 cm given and AB is greater than AC. Means this side is greater, AB is greater. So I have written here greater. So this you have to show here. Next step you have to measure this 3.5 cm using scale. So this is 0 and this is 3.5. So this distance you have to mark here. Got the distance of 3.5 cm. Let us mark this point as D and join these points D and C with the scale. So next step is you have to draw perpendicular bisector of this DC. So this is full distance. So while taking perpendicular bisector, you have to take distance more than half of this DC. So this is more than half distance I have taken, and you have to mark 4 arc. So this is the first arc, and this is second arc. Third arc you have to mark from point D. So this is third arc, and this one is fourth. So next you have to join these points like this. And this point give name as A, and then you have to join these 2 points A and C. So this is required triangle ABC. So let us verify this distance AB and AC, whether we are getting AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So this distance BD is 3.5 centimeter you have taken, and this distance you have to measure AB. So this is 0 and this is 12.5 we are getting. So AB is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Now let us verify this distance AC. So this is exactly 9. So AC is equal to 9.0 centimeter. So if we subtract this AB minus AC, we should get 3.5 centimeter. So this is 5 minus 0 is 5. So 12 minus 9 is 3. So 3.5 centimeter we are getting here. So this was 12.5 centimeter and minus, and AC was 9.0. If we subtract this number 12.5 minus 9.0, we are getting 3.5 centimeter, and this is the required triangle ABC. Steps for this construction is: first step is draw base BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Then second step is draw angle B is equal to 45 degree. Third step, cut the line segment BD equal to AB minus AC. So this distance 3.5 centimeter you have to cut like this BD from ray BY. The next step, fourth step, is join this distance D and C. The next fifth step is draw the perpendicular bisector of CD. So you have to draw perpendicular bisector of this CD. So this is perpendicular bisector intersecting BY at A. Then sixth step, join AC. So therefore this is the required triangle ABC. Thank you for watching my video.